blay pi baro ni pria subhai pi shagani ka thup khubor jongi menta ka janmien shawagin poish ki khubor to ni khmishwa ya ki mat ki bakangsan poi ke India shaka hemriu pholak mut baro ki bangat haka jingpang COVID-19 ki barang yo pang baro hadu menta ki long khandai lak hemriu pu ar hajar ngut Liu Menteri Katanat Kakot Kakia Dr. Harshvardhan ya ka website jong ka ICMR vaccine but National Clinical Registry na kabenta ka jingpang COVID-19. Penlong jingalang Menteri Rang Badu ka Riu Narendra Modi bat ka Menteri Rang Ba ka Denmark ka Mette Frederiksen ya soy ya ka MOU halor ka jingya trilang ban kintiu ya ka jingsyam bat ki but teman. Bat shen on sa yo ka Shilllong ya ka Lingsun ka ban pinya so bet bat ka Nong Ba Dali. Ki khubor ki babnya ka India kala poi sha ka henriu pholak tam ki bayo ya ka jingpang COVID-19 hadien bala yo pang thamai sa prapu ar hajar shispa nyo phongut ki briu menta ka sngi tada do menta ki badang yo pang baro kilong kendai lak henriu phu ar hajar ngut tang hakini ki ar pusal kenta baladap layo alum khubor ba kidan hado 6000 live kendai ngut ki bayap hakaba ki bayap baro kila poi sha ka kendai pesan hajar sanspa sau phu ar ngut Katkum ketulong kubur na ka ICMR hagini ki arpusaw kenta baladap lali tes palat nyolak kendai pho hajar ngut ki brio kat babaro ki baladap le tes tat hadu menta kilong nyo klor kat kendai lak ngut hagawai pat ka benta ki balakot nagani ka jingpang ki lakiyo sya ka prapu ar point prapusan na ka shispa tang hakini ki arpusaw kenta baladap ki balakot baro kilong nyo pusaw hajar ngut Katanat ka kuat ka kia kalay ito, bagi balakot baro kilakiyo siya ka san paulak hanriyo hajar ngut. Menteri katanat ka kuat ka kia, jang sarkar pedeng u Dr. Harshvardhan, ula play ka website halor ka ICMR vaccine ba National Clinical Registry na ka benta ka jingpang COVID-19. Lingbagan ni ka website on sa ay jingtip, halor ka jingpen mi yaki dawai, habayaday bat uknyang jingpang COVID-19. Kibalashna ha India badru shabari nalor kaniya ha ka National COVID-19 Clinical Registry on salum jing tiblut halor ki rukam letas ki rukam sumar ki la jingyada badru halor ki rukam long rukam man jong ki nongpang ha ki hospital baper ha India u Dr. Vardhan ula ong ba hapo kaniya ka website baro ki jing tip on ai ha ka rukam ka bala ban smooth hulut da baro badru ha ka rukam ka bakhut basuba
Whatever good work has been done and whatever the outcomes of that research are, they are in some manner or the other, by making a good quality public health movement, we are able to ensure that they are delivered to the common people of India.
Menteri Rang Badu kari Narendra Modi bat ka Menteri Rang Ba kari Denmark ka Mette Frederiksen kila pelang ia ka jingalang link ba ka internet. Hakani ka jingalang laya soiru ya ka MOU banya trailang halor ka jingpenmi ya ki jingsyam bat ki but thamai. Habdeng kini ki ari ki weipat ki soskular balaya soy ki kentup halor ka jingesnok benta jong ka India ha ka International Solar Alliance jong ka ri Denmark. Lingba kani ka jingalang kini ki he jong ki arliang mamla kila yoru banya phliu jingmut halor shibun ki kam ki bala ban te song bat pinklan ya ka jingadei habdeng kini ki ari. Menteri Rang Ba ka jilla ukon rakhi sama ulalet bani shimbenta ha ka jing rakhi ya ka World Tourism Day bala penya da ka tanat donor jong ka sarkar India halor ka phangpdeng emerging delightful destinations but ong ba ka kam jungokai perthai ka long ka bakong san ban wanra ya ka jing kentia but jing yo nong ha ka kamai ka ji ulay thu ba hausnam arhajar kharkhandai ka jilla kala yo alum jingkhen ba kidan hadu waypoint ar million ngut gindangwan jungokai perthai bat kala yarap shibun ha ka ban aikam aijam ya ki brio ha ka ni ka jaka handrai na ka daw ka jingdon jong ka jingpang COVID-19 ka kam jungokai ha ka jilla kala hiar arsut kumta ka sarkar kala penkhre ya ka rukom pentri kam banwanra bat kentio ya ka kam jungokai perthai ha ka jilla ula benrap ru baka sarkar kala penkhre ya ka rukom ai nuksa ban kedau ya ki jaka ki ba itnatam ki badan ha Khasi jaintia bat karu hills usama ula ong ru ba ki jaka ha ka jilla hilalong ki bappa ka bah tanglada kani ka tanan kala ban pinne pinsa bat kit kli ya ki jingdon kam baro
People across the world and across the country have always seen Meghalaya state as a destination from the environment perspective, from the beautiful forests and the rivers that we have out here, the culture that we have and the people that we have. And we feel that is really what our strength is. And we want to continue to build our strategy on the basis of these strengths that we have. But we want to package it in a better manner. Eco-tourism and sustainable tourism must be at the crux of any strategy that we do. As a state government, we feel that this is a time that we're getting to relook into how we could re-strategize in terms of tourism and how we could make it better.
Kasorka Meghalaya kan sedang banwan raya ka lingsun ka banherbet na Delhi sa Shilllong. Uminti rang ba ka jelaw Konrad kisang ma ulaong, batat hadu ka bakut jong ubanay Risau kan sadon ka lingsun ka banherbet na Delhi sa Shilllong. Bat omdan kam shu banlet lingba ka lingsun Guwahati, banlet banwan na Shilllong sa Delhi, bat na Delhi sa Shilllong. Kasorkar kalaong ruba kani kan yarap shibun ban kintiw ya kikam jengok kai perthai ha ka jela. Ukonrat kisang ma ulay thuru basyan on sa wanraru ya ka lingsun ki ban herbet na Shilllong sya ki weipat ki jaka kumsya Mumbai bat Hyderabad. Kasorkar minta kadang sa banshim ya ka rai lakan pinhe ya ka lat ya ka lingsun ka baladon minta lani kan sa thau da ka weipat ka lingsun ka bathamai.
We'll be starting direct flights from Delhi to Shillong. And I think that is going to be a big boost to the tourism sector out here. These flights are expected to start towards the end of October 2020, which is about a month away. And I'm hopeful that in the coming months and very soon we'll be able to start flights from even metros like Bombay and Hyderabad also. So I think connectivity is very important and we are very much aware of it, and that's the reason why we have taken the initiative to have a direct flight now to Shillong from Delhi, and I think that will open up a new sector for us completely.
Meghalaya Veterinary Services Association Jaintia Hills District Unit ringkat ka jinga snok tilang bat ka District Animal Health and Veterinary Department West Jaintia Hills District kalaraki ya ka World Rabies Day ha Animal Health and Veterinary Hospital Lathalabo Juwai. Manlaw snam lajuraki ya ka negasngi kumshi benta ban pinsapyang jingtip halor kumno banyada bat ban yakun persya ya ka nega jingpang. Kapang pedeng mentaw snam kalong and rabies collaborate vaccinate. Kajing tumu jong gani ka program kalong ban penshay bat pensuthu yakinong I jingri halor kumno ban sumar ban ai jingada bat ban telakam yakani ka jingpang kani ka program lawan ban yashim bentalang da ki doctor kinong sumar yaki jingri kinong ai jinghikai kinong treatment snobha bat kiwei. Ngini kami minta ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng ha Shilllong. Kajing shit kalong arpalai 0.8 degree Celsius, but kajing kriat kalong khatnyo 0.9 degree Celsius. Kajing singam ka how kalong kandai pupra nakashispa minsta, but prapunyo nakashispa janmiet. Kasun beneng kan dumlo ha Shilllong bat kijaka mabarjan, kalaru bandan kajing hap slap ka ba malu mala bat kajing tiet uperthan. Shua bangin penkut tungin ya kami biang saja sien ya kimat berkongsan. Poi ke India syaka henriu polak ngut baro ki bangat haka jingpang COVID-19 ki badang yu opang baro hadu minta kilong kendai lak henriu pu ar hajar ngut. Beliau Menteri Ketenat Kekuat Kekiau Dr. Harshvardhan ya ka website jong ka ICMR vaccine bat National Clinical Registry naga benta ka jingpang COVID-19. Penlong jingalang Menteri rang baduk ka Ri Narendra Modi bat ka Menteri rang bak ka Denmark ka Mette Frederiksen yaso ya ka MOU halor ka jinga trelang bat kin tiu ya ka jing syam bat ki wit thamai. Channel sa yo ka Shilllong ya ka lingsun ka ban pinya so bat ka nong ba jali. Tika tu ngilapoy syaka bakut jong ka tup kubor jongi hadu bangin dia syambyang na ka benta ki weipat ki kubor kublaya pi baro.